Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. In this video, we will try to grasp the basic concept of syntax. So, let's start today's video. As we all know that linguistics is the study of language. So, how do we study a language? We study a language from two aspects. The first is how the language is used, and the second is what is the structure of a language. By the use of language, we study that how language is used in society, how it is acquired, and how it is stored. While in the structure of a language, we study how the language is formed from smaller units to larger units. The use of language is studied in applied linguistics, while the structure of language is studied in pure linguistics. So these are the two major aspects through which we study language. If we look at the structure of a language, it is a combination of units. The smallest unit of study is phoneme. The phoneme combine to give us the smallest unit of meaning, which we called as morphemes. These morphemes are either independent or in combination with other morphemes give us words. Words combine to give us a large unit, which we call phrases. Phrases in combination with other phrases or either independent give us a large unit, which we call sentence. Sentence is also defined as a complete thought. So this is how we move from smallest to bigger units. So if we look at the study of a language, structure of a language, we see that it can be studied at different levels, with phoneme the lowest, which is studied in phonetics, and sentence the highest level. The level of morpheme and words are studied in morphology, and the bigger levels or the higher levels, which we name as phrases, clauses and sentences, are studied in the branch of linguistics, which we name as syntax. So this is the main topic of our video. So let's see what syntax is. Syntax can be defined as the study of units that include phrases, clauses and sentences. Andrew Carney defines syntax as a level of organization that studies the unit of language between sound and meaning, that is, organization of words into phrases and clauses. So when we study organization, we study rules, and we also study rules in grammar. So is syntax is grammar? No. To clear this confusion, let's see what grammar is. The grammar can be defined from two views. One is the broader view and the other is the narrow view. By broader view, we study that grammar is actually all the rules that include phonological, morphological, syntactic and semantic rules. While in narrow view, we say that grammar is the rule that helps us to write and speak correctly. Oxford Advanced Learners defines grammar as the rules of a language for changing words and joining them into sentences. So this definition has mainly two parts: changing forms of words, which is part of morphology, and joining them into syntax, which is part of syntax. So we can say that syntax is a component of grammar that studies how phrases, clauses and sentences are formed. So this is the basic concept of syntax. Thank you for watching the video. Do like my channel and stay tuned. Thanks a lot.